Ona thengia ya thirikari kugeria kunanira njung'wa na kiama kia Arigitani gukugeria kunina mugomo uyu. Murugamo wa Arigitani wa guthii na mbere na mugomo uyu ni wonekete kwaga kwenyenyuka. Ikuo nyingi ni icungiriirio ni mugomo uyu. Ino ni thiku ya mirongo 23 kuma Arigitani maigamiro yao thi magitia nyongerera ya micara iria maiguithaniirie. Kanjo ya magavana yaugite ati Arigitani yametagia ciringi bilioni 40.3 o mwaka, no kuringana na kiama kia Arigitani omaretia ciringi bilioni 7.2 o mwaka. Matongoretio ni muikariri gite wa kiama giki Morris Opetu. Itua riao ria guthii na mbere na mugomo uyu rigutigirira thirikari ni ekira thairi ngirimiti iria maiguithaniirie.
We are here. We are being called at Afia House. We have gone there twice. They have told us kindly the government is messed up. That is their words. That the government is messed up. Kindly help us so that we can come out of this mess.
Oho mutongoria uyu ni oririe kanjo ya magavana udumwe na kamiti ya guthurima micara ya muingi maunanire njung'wa na matige kuorotana niguo gucaria kihoto kia mugomo uyu uria uthiite na mbere na kuhotomia urigitani thibitari-ini ciothe cia muingi.
COG must come out very clear. Because now we are seeing some governors, they are saying they don't have a problem with the nurses. They are saying that they had negotiated with the nurses and agreed that the problem is with the SRC. We want them to come out very clearly and write to SRC and tell them to give the nurses the no objection letter. If it is not there, the nurses will remain out.
Agnes Muderu, uria niwe muigi kigina wa kamiti no augite ati mugomo wao nduranyitwo na uritu kuona ati kihoto kia guo kingiri kironeka.
Have we had Kenyans talk that we are on strike? Are they bothered? No. Are we important? Yes. To them we are not important, but we know we are important. It is our time now to tell the world what we are worth.
Arigitani aya ni maugite matigwitikira kuregeria murugamo wao makiuga gatiba ya bururi ni imahete kihoto gia kururungana. Gutire kuramenyeka kihonie kia mugomo uyu uria riu uingirite thiku ya mirongo 24 na ugathii na mbere na kuhotomia urigitani mathibitari-ini ma muingi na marigitari ya gikiro kia nurses magathii na mbere na kwiruma kini na kwihita matitikira gucokereria wira-ini wao nginya riria thirikari iritikira guthikiriria makaya mao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Maina wa Mwangi.